Welcome to the Global Affairs. Let's have an overview of Indo-US trade deal. India and United States of America are trying to negotiate and finalize a trade agreement, said Commerce Department Special Secretary and the proposed deal chief negotiator Rajesh Agrawal, amid Washington stepping up pressure on countries to lower tariff barriers and sign a trade deal. We are trying to negotiate and finalize a trade deal with the United States of America. We are into the negotiation and we are reviewing the Asian trade deal. And a special team of officials headed by Agrawal may head to Washington as early as next week to further discussions on the interim trade deal, as well as the first phase of the bilateral trade agreement that both sides aim to finalize by the autumn of 2025, by September-October 2025. The visit assumes significance considering the US has extended the date of implementation of country by August 1st, giving room for further negotiation to finalize a trade deal. Trump has been ramping up pressure on country to lower tariff barriers by concluding trade agreement with the US on Tuesday. He sent formal letters to 14 trade partners, primarily in Asia, threatening them with steep reciprocal tariffs ranging from 25 to 40% from August 1, leaving a room for negotiation. So far, India has been kept out of the list of 14 countries. Negotiators from India and the US held week-long discussions and exchanged their offers for an interim deal. After that, Agrawal returned to New Delhi on July 4. Indian negotiators also have bargained hard to avoid the reciprocal tariff levies while demanding lower tariff for labor-intensive sectors like textile, leather, and automobile components.